Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SDULIBITY Smart Car Battery Charger 10 amp, 12 and 24 volt, automatic, battery charger. Portable maintainer Trickle charger with LCD screen pulse repair charger pack. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: car battery charger efficient pulse repair function. With the powerful pulse repair function, the 12-volt battery charger can help restore old, idle, damaged, delaminated or sulfated batteries. Note, it cannot activate a dead battery or repair a badly damaged battery. It also cannot repair a battery to 100% new condition. Battery charger cannot be used to charge lithium batteries. 30% faster charging than 12-volt, 8 amp/24 volt, 4 amp car battery charger. 12-volt 10 amp and 24-volt 5 amp fast battery charger, charging much faster than 8 amp or 5 amp battery charger automotive. Charge or repair all 12 and 24 volt lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, including AGM, submerged cars, trucks, SUVs, golf carts, motorcycles, lawn mowers, marine boats and more. 12/24 volt trickle charger battery charger. Touch switch mode technology, portable car battery trickle charger, as battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, and battery desulfurizer. Smart digital LCD to set status and battery status, charge voltage, charge current, internal temperature, summer mode, winter mode and more. Fully automatic battery charger. 10 amp car battery charger, 12 and 24 volt smart fully automatic battery charger, very versatile. Automatic charging protects your battery from being overcharged. Switch to float/trickle charge mode to maintain the battery for winter. 1. Select the corresponding mode, STD/AGM, gel/wet/motorcycle, to fully charge the battery and the screen will show full. 2. Mode will automatically enter trickle charging mode to keep the battery charged for a long time. Multiple safety protection battery charger automotive. With overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit protection, 6 protection functions: current protection, short circuit protection, reverse protection, overheat protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, fan cooling and other functions. The charging cable contains heat-resistant and anti-oxidation copper wire, which is not easy to break. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.